Step into a circular room where microphones hang like whispers. Each asks you a question. Where did you come from? One thing you hate or love here. How did you find your belonging here? These questions linger in the minds of so many who arrive in Hong Kong searching, adapting, wondering where they belong. We wanted to give these unspoken thoughts a place to breathe. A space where voices aren't just heard, but felt. As you speak, your voice transforms into light, into motion. The rhythm, the volume, they paint shapes that dance around you, echoing your emotions. Your words are collected, woven into the space over time. Key phrases emerge like roots, stretching across the walls, growing slowly, intertwining. Here, every voice becomes part of the city's story. A place to listen and to understand ourselves a little more. Thank you for being part of it.